about 8:49. I just got in a trade. Well, actually, this is the second trade. I got stopped out once. So I'm starting down $50. This is still the 10K challenge. And where we're at here is, this is, we are way below the lower profit pivot lines, the orange lines. The lines have actually inverted because the market has moved almost 200 points, 200 ticks. So it gets a little confusing when it gets like this, but you have to look at it from the standpoint of you're below the lower lines, okay? Just use these as a reference. Anyway, I went long on the first green bar after a red bar, okay, which is the equivalent of an orange bar under the orange profit pivot line. And my profit target here is the kind of right here at the purple line, which is halfway between the middle Keltner and the upper Keltner. So we'll see if I accomplish my goal, okay? I'll be back. Excuse me. Alright, we're back, and as you can see, we have success. We ended up covering our $50 loss and making some profit here, but let me just review the trade. Alright, these are the lower profit pivot lines, okay? The orange lines. Think of them as the floor and the basement of a house. These are the upper profit pivot lines, the purple lines. Think of those as the ceiling and the attic, okay? When pricing moves a lot in a day, like it did on gold today, over 200 ticks, the attic and the basement invert, meaning that the basement floor is above the attic, okay? But you still treat those as if they are your reference points. So, for example, in the trade that I took, pricing has dropped below the basement floor quite a bit, and I went long on a green bar after a red bar, which is the equivalent of going long on a green bar after an orange bar, okay? So here's the red bar, and then here's the green bar I took the trade on. I set my profit target for right in this area here, sort of a little bit above the middle Keltner channel and right below the blue attic line, profit pivot line. And as you can see, we made 170 bucks. So that worked out really nice. So that being said, if we then, let me turn this off for a second. We then go into the whatchamacallit, into the account, we can see that we made our 170 profit. And let me turn my tool back on. We made our 170 profit, and our account value is $9,597.49 right now. So we're well on our way to the 10K challenge, and then we're just gonna, I think I'll just do this for a little while just to show people that you can start out with just a little bit of money and build it up pretty substantially over time. So that will be the plan and the examples here, and that's it for me for today. Over and out from Bill. Hope this is helpful in your learning stuff. See you later. Bye.